So I got the board out of that thing, and it's pretty impressive. A lot of trace on the back. Like, the whole thing is just a big trace. You can see that. I'm guessing this little aluminum chunk or die-cast chunk is transmit. It has a little waveguide thingy in there. So I don't really know how that works. That's pretty much one piece. I mean, it doesn't really want to come apart. But yeah, that'll definitely be going up on the wall. I mean, that looks pretty cool. And this thing, I don't know how to get that apart. That seems pretty solid. Yeah, I'm not sure. Just rip the two ports off of the board. There. I don't care about those. So, yeah, I'll try to... Sorry for the camera work. I know it sucks, but, you know, it works. Where's that outer piece? To the inside. So now where's the other side? Definitely really interesting. It's like all cast or milled. Probably a bit of both. So let's see if I can open that up.